What up, guys? We're at Aquatica Orlando for the Tassie's Twist Media event. We're gonna check out the new slide and see what's going on. Alright, looks like we got some drinks coming in.
We have seagrass punch here. It's pineapple juice, coconut water, and some Swedish fish at the bottom.
Alright, looks good. I'm gonna have a try.
Enjoy!
Thank you.
Thanks, Jeanette. Welcome to Aquatica, and more importantly, thank you guys for supporting us. I see a lot of familiar faces out there as we unveil our newest attraction, Tassie's Underwater Twist. For the last 4 years, Aquatica has been named the country's #1 water park, and it's really a testament to our creative services team who develop and create unique, one-of-a-kind attractions, and of course, our ambassadors that work at this park day in, day out and deliver an excellent experience. Now, Tassie's Underwater Twist, right here behind me, is the world's most immersive water slide. I've been able to slide this attraction over the weekend, and I'll tell you, when you guys ride it here in about 15 minutes, you'll think of things like never before or one of a kind. You'll think about things like immersive, because you will slide down our tube and into our Super Bowl, and you'll be in the middle of a 360 fully encompassed projection system with audio. It'll transport you guys virtually to Australia's Shark Bay, where you will see whales coming into the frame. You'll see sea turtles, schools of fish, even a shark. And it's always going to be a different and unique experience as you slide. This attraction the ride vehicle for this attraction is a double raft, so it can accommodate one rider or two riders together. From a height requirement, which everyone's always kind of curious about what the height requirements are, this ride has always not had a height requirement. So we do require our riders who are 48 inches or below to wear a life jacket. As long as you can sit in the ride vehicle, the tube, hold on and maintain your proper riding position, everyone in the entire family can experience this. And another thing that I think that you guys will notice when you ride this, I would categorize this as a family thrill experience. So there's definitely a significant thrilling component to this ride experience, but the entire family can also enjoy it. So you guys will get a chance to ride that soon. And then also today we are highlighting our culinary offerings. Every year Aquatica, we try to mix it up and change our culinary offerings. So we have refreshed and reopened our mango market. So I know that you guys got a chance to experience some of the offerings that we have there. And I'll just tell you what, we are excited to kick off spring break this year. The weather is finally here. We've been waiting on it for the last few months. Once we finish spring break, we will roll right into our event series where we have Aloha to Summer that will start March 30th. So Saturdays and Sundays, starting March 30th through Memorial Day, we'll kind of kick up the park a bit with music and a little bit of an island flair where we change some of our culinary offerings and have entertainment throughout the park. So a lot coming to Aquatica Orlando. We're excited to have you guys here.
So they were telling us that Mango Market now has new revamped items. So this is the Taumata dog. So it looks like a foot-long hot dog wrapped in bacon with tropical pico de gallo. And they also have this chicken bacon wrap. So grilled chicken, garlic herb spread, bacon, and cheese. Next we have a avocado wrap, which is tropical guacamole, cucumber, lettuce, red peppers, and arugula. And then finally we have buffalo chicken fries. We got buffalo ranch and shredded cheese. And yeah, if you don't like it spicy, you can get it available without the buffalo sauce. And they also got this cool little photo op over here for the slide. So they got a little wave pattern down here. And then some turtles, sharks, and some fish. Alright, and here's the entrance right over here to the ride. So it's right to the right. Here we go. actual height limit is 48 inches and guests under 48 require a life jacket. But what he was saying is that there actually is no height limit. As long as you can grab onto the handles on the side, you can actually ride. And of course, over here is all the rules. So yeah, like I said, here's all the height, weight requirements, and then how to ride the tubes, that kind of thing. And then yeah, everything you got. Looks like they're gonna have a general queue and also gonna be partaking in the quick queue. And it gives you all the instructions here to ride the tube. So single riders gotta ride in the rear position, and then smaller riders, rear riders, that kind of thing. Almost there. Alright, so that's gonna do it for the media event. We gotta check out the slide. It was really cool, really immersive, and what's great, it's for all ages, so that's really cool. So guys, come on out. And of course, we'll be back to Aquatica, as you guys know. So follow us on all our socials, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!